Okay, in this question, we're looking at solving still. So this is the third one in our little series on solving trig equations. And in this question, we have it a little bit different in that we've got something equaling 0. Now, our first step is to rearrange that to get the sine x on its own. So we're also told x is between 0 and 2 pi, which we'll come back to once we have done a bit of rearranging. So first step, we're going to take 1. So we get root 2 sine x is equal to negative 1. Then we're going to divide by root 2. So now we get to one that we're used to seeing, like we saw back in the first example. Now we've got negative 1 on root 2. If we do a quick sketch, where is sine negative? It's going to be in these two quadrants down here. Now, when I've got 1 on root 2, I know it's going to be my 45-degree triangle. So I know my x is going to be 45. But because I want to get a negative answer, it needs to be 45 here or 45 here, which means I've got 360 take 45 or 180 plus 45. Now, I've been given my domain in pi, so I want to work in pi for that. So I know 45 is pi on 4. So I've got either 8 pi on 4, which is my 2 pi, take away pi on 4, or I've got my 4 pi on 4, which is the same as pi, and I'm adding pi on 4 to that. So that means my answers are going to be 7 pi on 4 or 3 pi on 4. Oh, sorry, I was plussing it. That needs to be 5 pi on 4. So my two answers are 7 pi on 4 or 5 pi on 4. If you find it easier to work in degrees and then convert at the end, that's an option as well.